Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the files you will link, index, HTML and about, HTML plus a styles, CSS file, open index, HTML and add the minimal HTML structure, then insert in a tag pointing to about, HTML. This anchors the first navigation path, save styles, CSS and include it with a link rel equals stylisheet href equals styles, CSS in the head so your links can be styled consistently. Once done, test the basic link by opening index. HTML in a browser to verify navigation. Now refine the link structure and attributes to control behavior and security. Choose relative paths for same-site pages and absolute paths for external resources. This affects portability and deployment. Add target equals blank when you want new tabs, and always include rel equals newpener to prevent performance and security issues. Give each anchor a class or ID so CSS can style hover, focus, and active states. Make sure to test links across folders. If a link breaks, check the path depth and file name spelling. Finish by styling link states and adding visual polish. Define link, visited, hover, focus, and active rules and styles. CSS so users see clear feedback. Use display, padding, color, and small transitions to improve click targets and perceived responsiveness. Test keyboard navigation for accessibility by tabbing through links. If links fail, inspect the address bar and console. A 404 usually means a bad path, wrong case on file names, or incorrect server route. Make sure paths match exactly and deploy again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.